Sikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Unpaid seller. An unpaid seller means a seller who has not been paid the whole price of the goods when it has fallen due for payment. It is immaterial whether the possession as well as ownership of goods has been passed to the buyer or not. The term seller includes actual seller and any person having the position of a seller, that is an agent, a consignee, agent who has himself paid for the goods or is responsible for the price. Conditions of seller becoming unpaid seller. Non-payment. The whole of the price has not been paid or tendered. Non-fulfillment of payment condition. Condition of the payment is not fulfilled. In case of conditional payment, that is where the payment has been made a negotiable instrument and the condition on which it was received has not been fulfilled, that is by dishonor of the instrument or otherwise, the seller shall be deemed to be an unpaid seller. Demand for price. Seller has exercised an immediate right of action for the price. Instances of seller becoming unpaid seller. Credit. If the seller allows some credit period to the buyer, he becomes an unpaid seller only after expiry of credit period, if he is still not paid in full. Cash sale. In case of cash sale, that is no credit if the seller is not paid in full on transfer of ownership of goods to buyer. Instances of seller not becoming unpaid seller. Other payments. If the buyer pays the price in full but defaults in making some other payment due to be paid by him, that is custody charges of the goods, the seller is not an unpaid seller. Tender of payment. If the buyer tenders or make an offer to pay the price but the seller fails to accept the tender, the seller shall not be an unpaid seller. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.